No. So how are you feeling now?
Oh God. What should we call this kind of sickness now? But are you still taking your medications? Are you sure?
But brother, don't you think you should just come back to this village and stay with us?
This is what to. Let me come and stay here. Let me take care of you the way I want.
Mama. Coming back to this village is not even an option. Secondly, please, let's not just do this now. Please.
But look at the way you're breathing. I'm not even sure you're eating well. You need to come. Let me use my hand and prepare good food for you. Medicine needs good food to function. Yes.
Yes. Mama, let's go for baby.
Yes, you should.
Okay.
Please.
Okay, let's go.
Can you push your hurry up, oh?
Ebere, please be fast.
Nando, no, you'll be fine.
Sorry. My son's illness is getting worse by the day. Right now, I've run out of ideas. I don't know what to do again. Ikawulam.
Really? Oscar, what exactly did they say is wrong with you?
I don't know. I'm exhausted. I don't know what else to do.
You don't have to be a man.
Uncle, what haven't I done? I've been to several hospitals, Uncle. I've traveled abroad just because of these same issues, and they all keep saying one thing: nothing. What am I diagnosed of? Nothing. But they all told me that I have limited time to spend alone.
Hell.
I don't know what else to do. I don't know what else to do.
This is serious, so Uncle Ibe, what do you think we should do about it? My brother will not die, Uncle Ibe. Because no. Because no.
Why is my own always different? Why is my own always different? Is it not the money you're supposed to use and take care of me that my son is spending in the hospital?
Woman, please, calm down.
Who did I offend?
Calm down.
Who did I offend? The only son I have. The only one.
Ozioma, calm down.
Some people have 4, 5, 10 sons.
Calm down, let me think.
Oh!
Let me think. Oscar, I think you need to get yourself a wife and start raising children. Only God knows where you have been since morning. Emeka! Come on, wake up.
Oh, Papa, why are you disturbing my sleep?
Where have you been since morning? And why are you sleeping here?
I came back to the house and the house was locked. So I decided to sleep here. And now you return only to wake me up. No, wow.
You are very You are very stupid. You are just very stupid.
No problem. Papa, I'm hungry. Oh.
Come and eat me. Come and roast me and eat.
This man.
And all here.
Would he have died if he did not? Wow. Papa, I've told you. I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
Mama, since Brother Oscar has accepted to get married and start making babies, and he said he does not have any lady presently, what do you suggest?
Hey Mama, there is this friend of mine that...
Ozukwa, I don't want to hear anything about those your friends, because none of them is normal. I don't want anybody that will go and give my son high blood pressure. Nah, friend.
Chimo, Mama. What about I introduce Chika, my friend, to Brother Oscar? He will like her.
Chika?
Yes, Mama.
Which of the Chika?
The Chika you know now.
Chika, your friend?
Yes, Mama.
Hey, that one that used to come and visit you. Hey, I think I like Chika.
You do?
But the problem is, will she agree to marry your brother?
Mama, are you the one asking this question? Chika has been crushing on Brother Oscar for a very long time. It's a privilege for her.
She's crushing on your brother. Hey, these children. She's been crushing on my son. That girl is a bad girl. You know what? I want you to invite her over tomorrow.
You want to invite her?
Yes.
What about if I go now? I don't mind going now.
Don't worry, tomorrow. Hey, she's crushing on my son. This one? Somebody is crushing on your brother.
You could not let me introduce my friend.
Oh.
Mama.
Take some more water now. Please. Sorry.
Before man, I don't pack in on my things.
Oh, almost. Are you leaving very early?
Of course, Mama, I told you this before. I have business waiting for me in the city. I'll leave very early.
It's alright. Please, my son. When you get to the city, I want you to take good care of yourself for me. Please. And if you notice anything unusual, don't hesitate to come home immediately.
I won't, Mama. Please just confirm that they're done with my stuff. I need to get ready.
Okay, no problem. I'm coming. Let me drop it.
Brother Oscar. She's the one I've been telling you about. Her name is Chika. Good afternoon, sir.
So, please, is it possible for you to take away the sir and just call me Oscar?
Sorry, Oscar.
It's alright, my daughter. I believe you already know the reason Grace here invited you. Fine. Now, I want to ask you as the head of this family. Have you made up your mind to marry Oscar?
Who would want to marry a man like Oscar?
Oh, my dear.
Chika.
Brother.
But you know we just met each other and I need time for us to get to know ourselves. Hope it's not in haste.
Oh no, of course not. I'm not in a haste. It's just that, you know, I'm quite a busy person. Our business is waiting for me in the city, but notwithstanding, I can still give time to your concession if you don't mind.
I don't think she minds so. From what I'm seeing, I think she's even ready to go with you to the city. Yes, she has said yes. So she's now your wife to be.
Yes.
Chika.
Yes, Mama, but you know.
Your mother, right? Don't bother yourself. I wouldn't mind coming to see your mother. If things work out the way we plan it, we'll do the needful.
Oh, okay, everybody, if you all don't mind, can you excuse us for a moment? Sorry, can I take a stroll with you?
Express. Go on, son.
What excuse?
Take the stroll. Chika, stand up now.
So, okay, maybe we should just talk.
It's already working. It's already working.
Leave my trouser now.
Emeka, give me
now. You're taking my trouser.
Give me my money.
Please stop this thing. I don't like it.
Come here, give me my money.
Stop this thing now.
Give me my money.
You're embarrassing me.
I'm your
son, oh.
Your son will get there. The money that I will do with you if you don't give me my money now.
What money? What money are you talking about?
The money you do for my trouser. Give me your sister.
No, Papa, is it because of that money I took? Is that why you're dragging me like this? You're embarrassing me.
Eh? I have not dragged you. I have not dragged you, and I have not embarrassed you. Give me your sister. Give me your sister. Give me that money.
Okay. I will give you the money. I'll give you the money now.
Give me. Give it to me now. Are you wasting time?
I'll give you the money. See your money. This thing you're doing is not good though. It's not good though.
You go to me. You she. Thief. Let me even count it.
It's your son, oh. Make us so massa.
You're lucky. You're lucky my money is complete. If not, I would have shown you the other side of me today.
Papa, this thing you're doing it's not good though.
It's not good.
Not good.
Your mates are out there making money. What do? You are here looking for the money you don't work for.
So because of this thing, that's why you're dragging me. That's why you just embarrassed me.
I've not embarrassed you. I have not embarrassed you, Emeka. I've not embarrassed you. Stay away from my room. Sorry. Don't come close to my room again, oh. In Anuya. Oshi.
I have suffered.
Papa,
power one way bang.
She has accepted to go back. My son Oscar said we should go ahead and collect the marriage list from her family on his behalf.
So soon?
Nah, so soon, as if you don't know what is on ground. You know that why we are trusting God for miraculous healing of my son. Let's do our own part.
Yeah. But I'm suggesting we go and collect it next week.
Next week, you
Yes.
Nah, I was forgetting. Next week, next week is too far. I thought you would say let's go tomorrow.
No. Let's go and collect it next week so that as soon as we are collecting it, we are going for the introduction and marriage proper.
It's okay like that. What is Emeka?
Let's talk about something else. That one, he should be probably parading himself all over the village like a homeless child.
Hey, Emeka, why now? Why is it that boy don't want to do anything meaningful for his life?
Honestly, I'm tired of him.
Amber, don't be tired though.
I'm tired of him.
No, don't be tired though. If you don't talk, who will? Biko, you have to keep trying. I'm sure one day he will change.
I pray so.
You like?
I love it. Leave it alone.
Oh, yes, I do. Why are you so excited? It's going to be your home very soon.
I can't wait.
Alright, let's go inside the room.
Am I not staying in a different room?
I mean, what's the need? We're going to be couples. Oh. I get now. See that thing in your mind? Delete. Far from it. Alright? Far from it.
You're so funny. Let's go.
You first.
Ozioma.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Where are you coming from under this hot sun?
I went to the market to get some food stuff.
Food stuff? And what are your daughters doing at home?
Oh, Nani, you know that my farmland near Ami, People have been telling me that there's too much work on that farm. So this morning I asked them as early as possible to go and start working there. So I have to quickly run to the market to get some food stuff so that I'll prepare something for them to eat when they return.
Food stuff?
Eh.
What did you buy?
Let me know.
Is there anything like food inside this bag?
Nah, yeah, you sound like you don't know what is happening in this country. Eh? This period, you go with so much money and you buy little things. If I tell you how much I went to the market today, it will shock you. Look at it now. Oberiha, come go to it.
Biko, I understand your daughter's case. What about my son Oscar and his woman? Have you heard from them?
They are doing so well. Chika is coming back tomorrow.
Oh.
You know her mother gave us 1 week now.
Yes, I remember.
So she will soon be back.
Okay. That's good. Please, go and prepare things for them.
Okay, sir.
Let me run.
Bye-bye. Oh.
Thank you. Oh.
You know I'll be leaving tomorrow.
Why so soon?
I would have loved to stay a little bit longer, but you know my...
Your mom.
Right.
Okay, I'll make a transfer to you in the morning. Please. Remember to buy enough goodies for your mom.
Okay, thank you.
I didn't like the fact that you need to go back.
I know, but don't worry, I should be back. It's not as if I'm running away.
Okay.
Now see me win you. Stop talking too much. You just played harmony and you're winning me. Now watch it.
Oh yeah?
Come, last card.
I don't want cheating here.
Stop talking and play
Don't
game.
cheat here.
I know now, that's the only thing you're good at. Just sitting down all the time, be doing rubbish on your face. That's the only thing you're good at. Continue.
Sister, you not leave me alone now.
Am I holding you? You're there, I'm here. I still leave you.
You are just jealous that you are not as beautiful as I am.
Grace, who is deceiving this guy? She's beautiful. Come. Who is deceiving you? You're beautiful. Lele, look at who is beautiful. Be deceiving yourself.
I beg you. Play this water, beg. That's the only thing she's good at.
Hello, darlings.
Wow,
Thank you.
Looking so good.
Please take your brother.
You're looking really good.
Thank you.
So what are you doing?
Today, now.
That you're looking good.
Thank you.
Aww, fine girl.
I like your hair. Thank you.
Those are the kind of things you like. When you like
This guy should be my own, please.
Let her pull it and give it to you.
Don't worry, I'll buy your own for you.
All the food in the house, you're the one.
Just us. How was
Sweetheart,
your journey?
Give us gist.
I just came back today, just now.
No. Angel of man.
Yes, Papa.
That is my son.
He's fine, he's doing well.
Yeah.
Yes, Mama.
So now that you've been able to go and spend some days with my son, I am convinced that you now have a better idea of the kind of person he is. Okay?
Yes, Mama. Mama, Oscar is a very nice man.
Eh?
You did a good job raising him, I must say.
Chai!
That is wonderful. If I understand you very well, you are giving us the permission to come and see your parents. Okay?
Yes, Papa. But before then, Papa,
Eh.
Oscar said I should come to the city next week.
Eh.
So we'll see, get to know each other. Then discuss about our marriage plans.
Whoa. Okay, that means you're going back to the city next week.
Yes, Mama.
Hey!
Awesome.
Chineke, thanks, Sao.
That is awesome.
You know what? You have our backing. You can even start going now.
Yes, if you if you want it, you can go and meet him now. What are we not talking? God bless you, my daughter. You are blessed already.
Ifeoma! Ebele! If we should come, let's go now before the sun gets hot. So where is Grace? Call Opa by this time.
Mama, let's go now. It's not time now. Get hungry again.
If you say that again, If you say that again, Orindi, that's all you know. Food every time.
Oh my Mama.
But Oscar called though. He told me that Chika is no longer taking his calls.
Why now?
Mama, I don't know. Mama, see, I don't think I'll be joining you to the farm. I need to rush to her house and know what the problem is. Maybe she's not fine.
I hope all is well though. You have to go and check up on her. But meet us at the farm. Oh. Make sure you meet me at the farm. Mama, so that I will also know what is wrong with her.
Mama, you know I'll definitely come to the farm to see you at least. Hey, Mama, thank you for your understanding. Let me rush. Let me just rush down.
You always look for an opportunity to dodge work. It's not food again. It's not following her. Go. Be at the front. Because I don't trust you.
Leave me alone.
Wakadube.
Mama, I'm hungry. Let me go and eat now.
Yeah.
It wasn't a small thing. Chika boldly told me that she will not and will never marry for us.
What? Really? No. What did I just hear you say?
That's what she told me. I just take that.
Does her mother, does her parents mold male children? Wait. Did she give you any of her reason?
She didn't say anything. No. She didn't give me any reason at all. I was even trying to reason with her. My friend, as in to make her see reasons with me. But she walked me out of her compound. Mama, she walked me out of her house and her mother was busy supporting her. Yes, now. Her mother. This is a serious one. This girl's pulling out at this point is not good for us. It's not good for us, No, Mba, that one, cancel. Mama, the Chika I saw. The Chika I saw today. If she sees us any inch close to her compound, talk more. I'm not even talking about entering inside. Mama, she will do something drastic. Mama, no, you see that Chika matter, please, let's slide it. That one, it will not work. We're not even talking about going there. It will not work.
Sorry, I brought by force. If she doesn't want to marry Oscar, fine. So be it. Oh no, she must have her reason. You can actually get another deal for Oscar. What did you say? Get another deal for Oscar. All over.
Just like that.
Just like that.
And you think that is good?
It will.
Of course, Mama. You have to meet the wife right there with life. And you have to make that happen. So it will work. I'm not that way much to say. It's just that. At this point, where can we even get a good girl that will not disappoint us again? Well, it's a guess. Let's try what we're going to do. You know she's a good daughter.
and the mother wants her to marry me. So I'm sure she'll let me go. Let me be my friend. No, no, the thing is, it's the last one.
Oh, Sigene! Oh, Sigene! Last born, Opa. Last born like you will just give my son high blood pressure. Eh? If I hear pink from your mouth, I'll send you out.
Wait, Mama, did she give you any reason she doesn't want me anymore? Okay. So, how is Uncle Libe doing? Well, just tell him not to worry, I'll be fine. Alright, Mama. Please, do take care of yourself. Alright, bye.
Ozuma, how are you? Good afternoon, my dear. Hey. Sorry for keeping you people waiting.
So, this is the girl I told you about.
Yeah.
She's a very good girl. Very good in beautiful inside that. It won't see Ama. Kawaya see Ama.
My daughter.
Yes, Papa.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Now, are you ready to marry our son?
Yes, I am.
Salania.
That's good. But there's a problem here. You see, our son doesn't stay here in the village. He stays in the city, and the possibility of him coming down here to see you is not assured. So I don't know how both of you are going to see, so you can ascertain that he is your kind of man.
Oh, that's Papa. That is not a problem at all. I know Oscar. He is definitely my kind of man. If it is a must for us to meet, I will go and visit him.
Hi! This girl is a very good girl. Very understanding.
My daughter, whenever you that we can do our own part.
Papa, since it's just to go and visit him just for a few days and come back, I am ready to go.
How?
Anytime at all, I am ready.
How?
No.
Yes, Papa.
No. You know, some of these girls, some of them will be very fine, but their character will be zero. But this one is beautiful in appearance and in character. 100%.
Uzoma, it's now left for you to call Oscar and tell him that his wife-to-be is coming to see him.
That one is not a problem. I will call him as soon as I leave here.
Good, good. Because let me get you something.
No, you don't have to bother. You don't have to bother.
For the first time she's visiting me, Amban.
You don't worry now. She's a wife. You have opportunities to entertain her as many times.
You are correct. You are correct. You are correct. Ngano. What is her name?
Hey, her name is Olivia.
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 Good.
I'm just coming back from the office. Beautiful. And she's a very good girl. Oh. I'm sure you will like her. She'll be in tomorrow. Ebele, your sister, will just see her off to the park. No problem. No. Don't you trust me again? Don't you trust your mother? Eh? Look, when she comes, take care of her very well. Oh. In fact, pamper her. Yes, pamper her very well. Don't do anything that will get her angry. Oh, Mom. All right, no problem. Ngwana. I know we are fine. Okay.
Hey.
Welcome.
Hey.
Yeah. How did you... Just come in. So,
You got a very nice piece here.
how you can...
So beautiful.
Thank you. So how did you... Oh yeah, you must be tired. How did you manage to get this place? I mean, how... It wasn't that difficult for you? Oh, it's a good thing you found your way. I've been expecting your call so that I could come pick you at the park. So, anyway, how's the journey?
It was okay. And your mom gave me a proper address to your house, yeah. So it wasn't hard for me to locate here at all. And by the way, this place is not hard to locate.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh,
yes, you should be. It should be. I think you should just go and rest while I look for something for you to eat.
I really need that rest right now.
I'll take it to you.
Oh.
Easy. Sorry. Easy. Easy.
The boundary starts from that tree
The other side.
to the other side.
Okay.
Yes.
What about the other tree?
No, don't go there. From that tree, that other side is danger. From that tree you just mentioned now, to this side, if you check, it's more than 3 plots, but he's just giving
Will it
away.
be enough for me to build mansion? Like I want to build mansion.
What's a big mansion? You build castle here.
Like 18 rooms. I'm talking about 18 rooms.
You even build 70 rooms there with a swimming pool and small garden. Yes, now.
So, come. Do you trust this guy?
Yeah? Mekus Umonwa. Okay, you are new here, you don't know him. Mekus has integrity, he has principle, he has policy to protect. Oh, you better Ufonye. Yeah.
So, how much are we talking about here?
Let's go for 500,000 naira only. Only. Even with this stone. Even with because
Wait, Mekus Umwasa. Ogologo ini, afudimba for ogologo imia. What is going for 500,000 naira?
Sorry, I don't understand. Who are these people?
They are going to farm.
Come on, stop your mouth. Okay. We, these people, no problem. Let me officially introduce ourselves to you. Since this person here cannot remember us. No, I'm not after you. I'm after him. We are sisters. And we are the rightful owners of this land. So I should be asking you people, what are you doing in this land?
Come on, they are liars. Come on,
Leave this man.
Calm down.
Mekus is not trustworthy. Leave this man.
Look at you. Look at the person you're following.
I want to
show you another. Your mother at the house does not know you're following this animal.
Have you seen what you guys have cost?
Shut up your mouth.
My client is going without buying any.
Will you shut up that thing you call your mouth? Your client are on top of that person's land.
Who is Brother Oscar? Who is Brother Oscar? Wait. By the way, why wouldn't I sell it? When you people have a whole lot of land and you're serving them as if they are gold.
You're a foolish man.
Me foolish?
You're a very stupid
If not for one thing,
wait,
Mekus.
So look and jog. So it is our brother's land that you want to sell and better your life.
Yes.
Why don't you go and sell one of your father's lands and better your life?
Which father's land? Why you get stingy?
How many land have his father sold to better his miserable life? But yes,
hey.
nothing comes out.
See, you are talking to Mekusumasa.
Hey.
Mekusumasa. You add some respect to that.
Mekusasa. Come close. Come close.
What is it?
Is it respect enough? Is this one respect enough?
You slapped me. You slapped me.
Should I add my own? Useless man. I will not use my ability to shake up power.
Thank you for the food. Hey, I never expected it. My pleasure.
No.
Thank you.
So that your land, what did you decide?
You want to enjoy one? No. I want to allow it to appreciate before I sell it.
Sell again?
Yes.
Fine, keep it now for future purpose.
No. I want to sell it. I'm going to sell it.
Okay. For now, thank you. Thank you so very much. I appreciate your concern. Thank you for always being there for me.
It's all my pleasure. You see, let's just hope and pray that things will work out. So that as soon as she comes back, we'll go and pay the bride price.
Hey, nah, this one will work, oh.
It will.
This one will work. God, it will work, oh. Let's keep believing God.
Yeah.
It will work, Ochala already.
Let me run now. Yes, I was actually on my way to a meeting before I said, let me come and check up on you. Yes.
Bye, yo. Darling.
Do you like the dress?
Sure, I like the dress.
Are you comfortable with it?
I am 100% comfortable. Yes, I am.
Okay,
Shall we?
have to leave him.
Mama, it has happened again. I mean, it's happening again. Please, don't just ask me to calm down. I mean, this... Okay, I've been trying to call Olivia. I've been trying her numbers, but they're not connecting. I keep trying, but to no avail. I don't know. I honestly do not know. Well, I haven't had any seizures lately or any attacks, so I don't know. I'm not sure. I don't know. I just don't know. All right. All right.
She's here already. Only one.
Oh, good afternoon.
How are you, my darling? Hey, you're welcome. Ebele was about coming to your place. Oscar said you've not been taking his calls. I hope there's no problem.
Yes, Mama. I've not been taking Oscar's calls, and I feel really bad about it, which is why I am here.
What happened? Oh, come and sit down. Come and sit.
Mama, there will be no need for a seat. I'll make it a quick one.
What
Olivia,
happened?
this way you're saying this way, is everything okay? Did my brother offend you?
No. Oscar is a very good man. He's very loving and caring. He's every woman's dream. In fact, he's a perfect man, but I cannot marry him. I'm sorry.
Kekwan perfect man, loving and caring. Every woman's dream, but I will not marry him. What happened? Tell me now.
Mama, nothing.
Olivia, please, can you give us a tangible reason why you don't want to marry my brother?
It's my life. And I choose whom to marry and whom not to. Oscar is a good man, but I don't want to be with him.
Olivia, please don't do this. Okay, fine. Can we talk about it?
Ebere, you're my friend.
Yes,
and you know me. I don't want to marry Oscar.
Hey.
Okay, there's nothing to talk about.
You know what? Look at me. I am Oscar's mother. And I am old enough to be your own mother.
Exactly.
You can talk to me. Whatever it is, tell me about it.
Olivia! Hey! Olivia, I'm your friend, please!
Uzioma, please. Calm down. Calm down.
How can you possibly be telling me to calm down? Can you tell me to calm down? Eh? First, I have to deal with the fact that my son is critically ill with no solid diagnosis. I have to deal with the fact that my son has a very short time to live. I haven't even recovered from it. Now, no woman wants to marry him.
Mama, crying won't help anything. And if you keep crying like this, what do you expect us to do now? Then we should go and hang ourselves and kill ourselves.
No woman wants to marry your brother.
Okay, no.
Every woman has deserted him.
Mama,
and you're telling me it's okay. It is not okay. Leave me.
Mama, stop doing this now. Crying will not help this matter. If you keep doing this, if you keep crying, what do you not expect us to do? We should go and kill ourselves and hang ourselves and do this now. You should stop crying, please.
Zoma, calm down. Calm down.
You know what, tonight? You know what? I am beginning to think that this is not ordinary. Yes, something is behind this.
No, now. How can you possibly say a thing like that?
Nani, let me hang now. Let me hang now. Okorobia to say no, what a wine. Not even a girlfriend.
Zoma, please now, don't say that. Now, let me tell you something. Apart from the power of God, no other power can be against us. It's obvious those girls were not meant for Oscar. So I suggest you begin now to look for another girl for him.
Hell, now we ain't gonna know what. For how long will I continue to look for a girl, for a handsome man like Oscar? While his mates, girls are running after them. Then I am the one looking for girls for my own son. Okay, this other girl we are going to get. How are we sure she will not still refuse him? How are we sure the person will not refuse?
Mama, please, don't be negative, please. Uncle, you know what? I go with your own idea. But the only problem right now is that we don't have any other girl in mind right now.
In that case, Uzioma, I put it on you now to be the one to look for a girl that Oscar will marry. Yes.
Mom.
Hey, you know.
Hi, most of my mates, you have girls coming to do house chores for them. Even the ones that are living alone. You see girls here and there. Coming to wash clothes for them, clean the house and everything. It's me that will go and look for girl for my own son. Do I have a choice? Do I really have a choice? I will try my best, but the problem is that I don't even know any of these young girls. I don't know, most of them in this community, I don't know who is a good one and who is not. Except, maybe I will have to talk to some of my friends. Especially the ones that have young girls.
Please. Please do.
I have to go through their mothers now.
That's exactly what I'm saying. Talk to them. Woo them. Help Oscar. Woo them. Talk to them. At least that will go a long way.
And I will do as you said.
And another thing. Let us be strong for Oscar at this time. Let's be strong for him. Tears will not help anybody at this point in time. Wherever he is now, I know he must be devastated.
Who will not be?
He will be broken.
Nani, who will not be?
But these tears you are shedding will not help him.
He has some young man like my son. Every woman's dream. But his case is a different one. My mates have young girls coming around to do house chores for them. But mine, they are running away from him. Who will not be devastated?
Come back here. Come back here. What is good about that evening? Emeka, I'm asking you, what is good about this evening? By the way, where are you coming back from?
Papa,
I don't understand though. Which kind of question be this now? Why will you be asking me where I'm coming from? Am I still a child? Oh, wow.
Hi. Emeka, you are the most irresponsible child I have ever set my eyes on. You are the most irresponsible and useless child I've ever set my eyes on.
So, Papa, you are indirectly saying that I am irresponsible.
Should I be afraid of you? Emeka, should I start fearing you? Do something with your life. Go back to school. Olo. Get a job. Olo. Now, go and do boy. You went and stole your gas money.
Point of correction. Papa, I did not steal the money. I only took it and I was going to pay back.
What's the difference?
No, wow.
No, what is the difference?
There is difference.
What difference?
See, Papa, forget to. I am the most handsome boy in this village.
Ha!
Emeka Umuasa, Mekuso Umuasa.
Hello, man.
Emeka Mekoyo. So we'll be coming down.
Hi! Emeka, you know what? Emeka.
Daddy.
Once you are 40, you are leaving this house.
Eh?
Yes, you are vacating this house immediately you are 40.
My father's house.
Which father's house? Who's your father? This house? Your father's house? I have. We shall see.
Okay. Papa, you have to be coming down. Oh. Just calm down. If you get me angry, I will pull down this building and build a mansion here. Now, wow.
Emeka.
Calm down, oh, Papa.
Hey, you had to see the job. You were so happy. Very nice one. And this is what she said. Don't worry. Out of your money.
Welcome.
Babe, are you alright?
Yes. I'm just admiring your home. It's beautiful.
Thank you. So tell me, babe, what are you going to eat? Because I'm about to make order for lunch.
Order? Yeah. You mean buy food?
Yeah.
Why buy food when I'm here? I can cook very well.
I haven't said you can't cook. I'm just saying it could be stressful. And I don't like stressing people.
There's nothing stressful about this. In fact, I'm used to stress. Eh? Just tell me what you would like to eat. Take me to the market, let's buy it and I'll cook for you.
Is that what you want?
Yes.
Alright, just give me a second. Let me drop this bag in so we can go.
Okay.
I'll be back shortly. Just feel at home. Babe? Are you alright?
Yeah. I was just thinking.
Thinking about what?
Since we'll be getting married soon, I think we should spend time together more.
You just brightened up my face. It's not a bad idea.
But your mom told my mom I'll be here for just 3 days. Probably I should go back after 3 days, then ask for her permission. Come back. I can even come with my credentials, get a job before or after the marriage.
I'm so happy you see a future in us. But I'm most glad getting settled with someone who's very responsible.
Thank you. In that case, I'm going back to come back, right? I'm okay now.
So am I. Alright, it's good night. Good night.
Good night.
Oh. Going to miss you.
I'll miss you more. But don't worry. Once I get my parents' permission, I'll be back.
And while coming back, please don't come with clothes because I'm going to buy you more than enough when you come back.
Thank you.
Say me well to your family.
I will.
Sure?
Yeah.
I hope the little I gave will be enough.
Babe, it's more than enough. I know you're doing all this to keep me here. You don't want me to go, but I have to. So let's go.
Alright, let me drop you off.
Okay.
Alright. It doesn't feel like letting you go, but...
I know, but I have to.
Hey, Ami Beke. Hey, now you're looking good though.
Thank you.
I don't need to ask you. I can see that my son took very good care of you.
Yes, so Mama, he is the best.
Eh?
Oscar is the best, Mama.
Eh?
Hey! In fact, I will be going back in 3 days. I only came to ask for my parents' permission.
But you said you came to
ask for my parents' permission.
You shouldn't have. You shouldn't have bothered coming all the way. You should have just called me and I'll do the work.
Mama, this is my cross. I am going to be married to Oscar very soon. So I need to make my parents understand.
You are indeed a woman of wisdom. Getting married to Oscar and Carter on each.
Mama, me, I cannot even wait. Oscar is such a nice man.
Hey! Hey! Let me say, aww.
Oh, thank you.
Ha! Who do we have here?
Hey,
our wife. Wunyemu. Hey!
Now you're welcome because I'm going to go check.
There's no point asking how you are because it is written all over you. Eh? So you are this beautiful.
But thanks to Oscar, Papa, he's taking good care of me.
That's a good one.
Grace. You know that Amanda is supposed to go to the city today. Yes. Please, I want you to quickly go and tell her that when she's ready to go, she should come and pick some of the food stuff I packed for them. You know, go?
Okay, Mama. But Mama, instead of me going to her place empty-handed to go call her to come and carry this food stuff, why don't I carry the whole thing and go give to her?
Mama here, and you think I don't know what I'm doing? Look, I know her mother very well. I don't want her troubles. If I take those things to their house, she will want to check and see the things I'm giving my son. I don't want her trouble. Just go and tell her to come and take those things.
Okay, Mama, let me just finish with that.
I finish, isn't it? Let me go. What if she had gone already? Madam Hinazaza. No phone call. Phone. Everywhere she is, she's with phone. Since almost 1 hour, I sent her to sweep this thing. She's just here, doing nothing. Huh?
Amanda! Where are you going to? I was even coming to do what? Is there a problem?
Stop acting like you don't know you're supposed to be going back to my brother's place. Anyways, my mother sent you.
Your mother sent you to come and do what exactly? That is the question. Also, my mother sent me. Go back and tell that same mother of yours that our plans will not work.
Amanda, what is it? Why are you acting like this now? What is going on?
Do you know that you are very wicked? Do you know? Your family, you people are very wicked. Evil family. How can your mother want me to marry her dead son?
Dead son? Amanda, there's nothing of such now. See, where is this one coming from? Where is all this one coming from?
Please, what I'm trying to say is that I cannot marry your dead brother. What don't you understand? I am too good for that. So go and tell your mother, your selfish, wicked, evil mother, that our plans have failed. Doesn't excuse you?
Say, Amanda, calm down. Say, it would be better if you make me understand because I don't know what is going on here now. What is it?
Madam, what is going on is that I cannot marry a dead man. Somebody that is going to die soon. Useless as nothing. Or say, what is going... What don't you understand? You know, this guy... You're very wicked.
Amanda, stop all these things now. See, it will be best you just properly make me understand things. Make me understand what is it now. Why are you acting like this now? We've already agreed on this whole thing now. You're supposed to be going back to the city.
What? Oga can't this day. If I slap you, you will forget your surname. In fact, you will forget your memories. If anybody see you now, they will think you don't know what is going on. Hey! Hey! You people are very wicked, but it's God that will punish you. Or say, I'm lost. Go and find yourself if you are lost. Useless family. Now see why I'm lost. I want to forgive. What is it? Amanda! Dead son. My mother is wicked. Mama, the way Amanda spoke to me today, I was so shocked and confused.
Who did I offend that wants to turn me to an object of ridicule in this community?
Let me even ask, who told Amanda such thing? Where did she get that news from? She's lucky I'm not the one she met today. If I was the one that met her today, I would have beaten her up. I would have fed her mouth with sand in a way that she won't see the mouth to talk. Stupid.
What do you suggest we do now? Okay, should we just call Brother Oscar?
Nobody should call my son. Don't call him and tell him any of this. I will go meet your uncle. We'll find a way around it, but nobody should call my son.
Mama, if you ask me, I think we should tell brother about it.
How are you going to tell him? I mean, how are you going to position your mouth to tell him that this same girl is expecting her return? The same girl he is expecting her return has refused. And not only that, she's busy parading the whole community, telling anyone and everyone that cares to know that he's a dead man. Please, nobody, I repeat, nobody should call my son because of this issue. Am I understood? As for Amanda, Balushuku.
Rejoicing that I am getting married to a nice man. And I'm not in a wow. Hey! Man, this woman is wicked. This woman is heartless. It's God that will punish you. This woman is wicked. This woman is heartless. God forbid. I reject it for myself.
Amanda, why are you lamenting? Who provoked you? What is it?
Is it not that wicked and evil woman that calls herself Ozioma?
Ozioma, Grace's mother?
Yes, sir.
What did she do?
That woman wants me to marry her dead son. Can you imagine?
Dead son? Is Oscar dead?
He's not dead, but he will soon die. I heard from someone close to them in confidence that that boy is going to die soon because he has a deadly sickness. And that woman wants me, Amanda, to marry him and die with him. Wicked woman!
Amanda, someone told you he has a deadly sickness. And you believe the person? Did you confirm? It could be a lie. You know there are jealous people everywhere. When you hear something from someone, you don't need to act or talk according to what you heard. The person might be jealous of you or even Oscar.
You are right too. And I did not even think about that.
When you hear something, confirm before taking actions.
But the person told me...
No need to explain further. I'm just giving you a piece of advice. Well, you might choose to act according to what you heard. That's your own, no problem. My mom sent me an errand. I'll see you later. Take care. But no. I need to confirm this. I need to confirm this.
Grace, I want to go and see your uncle. I'll be back before you know it.
Okay, Mama.
Okay, Nne.
Oh, don't stay too long.
I will not stay so that I'll come back you suck breast, okay?
What are you doing here? What do you want?
Ifeoma, just keep quiet. Amanda, how may we help you?
Yes, Mama. I know Grace must have told you what happened the other day. I'm so sorry. Please find a place in your heart to forgive me. It was anger. I said all those things in anger because I was angry that morning.
Amanda, do you know you made my mother cry?
Hey, Mama. It was not intentional. I'm so sorry. You know me now, you know Amanda. I'm not like that. Me, I'm even so surprised I said all those things. I don't know when or how. I'm confused, but I believe it's anger.
Amanda, you were acting like you don't know what you did. You're blaming it on anger.
I am sorry.
Amanda, you're not my friend. If you were my friend, you wouldn't say those things. Hey. Do you know the kind of abuses you rained on my family?
Grace, you're supposed to be calming things and not adding salt. Mama is angry. Let's calm her down. I'm sorry. That's why I'm here. Hey, Mama, I am ready and I'm fully ready to go back.
Amanda, you opened your mouth and called my son a dead man.
Hey, Mama, it was a slip of tongue. I am sorry. Nobody will even take something like that, but because even no be a berry, I know that's why you're still listening to me. I'm sorry. I promise I will go back and I will be the best woman. I will not do something like that again, Mama. That is why it's not good to talk in anger. All these things was in anger. I am sorry, Mama, because wow, it will never happen again.
So what's your name?
Blessing Azuka.
Blessing? Azuka?
Azuka, yes.
Oh, okay. So you see, I live in this house all by myself. I need one to take care of me. I need someone to clean the house, keep everywhere clean, cook, do all other house chores, and most importantly, my health.
Your health?
Never mind. When do you intend to start work?
I can start today, sir.
Oh, okay.
Babe.
What happened? I mean, I've been calling you for days. You've not been picking my calls.
I'm so sorry. I wanted to surprise you.
Yeah, you did. Yeah. You really did surprise me.
I'm sorry.
Don't do it again.
I missed you.
Blessing? Sorry, that's the kitchen, okay? You can start from there.
Sorry.
Okay, sir.
Who is she?
The housekeeper, she just got newly employed. She'll be taking care of the entire house and me in terms of cleaning, cooking, everything that has to do with this house.
Well, I'm here now.
Still doesn't matter. I wouldn't want to stress you anymore, so I have someone that can do everything for us. Clean the house, take care of food and every other thing. You copy?
That's not a bad idea.
Alright, girl. Blessing? That's the kitchen. You start from there.
Okay, sir.
Is that how you snap at people? You don't pickles? You don't...
Babe, don't you like the surprise?
Alright. But don't do that again.
I won't.
No. Joke apart, don't do it again.
I won't.
Because I really don't understand what like you were supposed to.
they cooking? Oh, I'm just getting started, but I'll be done soon.
Okay, please hurry, I'm hungry.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes, sure.
Is Oscar sick?
Sick?
Never mind. I forgot to just resume today. Just focus on the food.
Of course, I'll be done soon.
Is that medicine?
Yes. Oh yes. Supplement for good mental state, good health. It helps boost the immune system. You should try some. It's nice.
No, I don't take pills or supplement.
Oh, okay. Very nice. Use bright eyes. Very nice. Water is good for the health too.
Yeah.
Water is life.
Yeah.
You want water too?
No.
It's good for the health too.
Oh.
Plenty of it. For bright eyes.
Yes.
No, bro, don't do this now. It's not 70-30 because of you, you know? You should be. I was going to just go, no, this.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, how are you?
Fine.
You look different this morning.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome. Man, beautiful.
Thanks.
Oh, what a life. No day with happiness. Oh, life. Filled with issues of life. Oh, life. Oh, I'm gonna tell my story. I'm left to face my mortality with a broken heart. But I thought love could come true to give me a smile.
So, what did the doctor say?
The doctor said I have just 4 months to live. Just 4 months to live.
Leave me alone now. What is it? Is it by force?
Baby, please, man.
Leave me alone, Oscar. Now, get out. Get in my hands. Who is your baby?
Please, don't. It's not how you say it.
It's not how I see what. You hid your deadly sickness from me just to turn me to a young widow, and you're telling me it's not what I think.
No,
what do I think? Get out before you die in my hands. Oscar, don't touch me. I'm warning you. Go and look for your baby. It's not me that will die. That will die with you.
Please.
Go and die.
Baby,
Sorry. Let me get you. Sir, are you okay?
my fault.
Sir?
My phone.
Your phone. I'm coming now.
Where is that wicked woman? Ozioma! Where is that wicked woman? Wicked family!
Why are you shouting my mother's name? Why are you calling her by her name?
Because she's a wicked woman.
Amanda,
yes.
What is it? What are you doing here? I thought you traveled to the city yesterday.
And I am back today because I just found out for myself that your brother is a walking corpse. And you know. Hey! Who is that? Who is that? You shut down your dirty stinking mouth or I'll shut it for you right here. I will not shut my mouth today, Mama. I will speak. Hey. After sacrificing your son's life to your witch's coven, you want me to go and marry him? You think I don't know?
Amanda, if you ever talk to my mother in that manner, I will drop friendship aside and I will beat you like a child.
Very wicked. After your evil plans, you still have mouth to talk.
Amanda,
Amanda,
get out of my anger.
Get out. Move. Get out of my compound. You left me.
No, come and stay. Come and stay alone, Bogi. Get out. Stay now. Bastard. Look at this girl. You are insulting my mother in my house. Mama, please. Mama. Please. Mama, please don't do this. Because Mama, please. Mama,
please don't let this get
Mama,
to
don't
you
do this now. Because of this one. I actually left her because of you. I would have just broken her head.
Mama, please don't do this. Because
Mama, because this girl is a riffraff now.
Mama, please don't let her.
How long, Mama? Please don't do this.
Will I be mocked like this?
Mama, because
please.
Even Amanda of yesterday had the nerves to insult me to my face.
Mama, please. Mama, please just calm down. Calm down. Calm down.
Come in. Good morning. How are you?
The breakfast is ready.
Oh, okay. I'll be out in a minute.
Sir, are you going out?
Oh, yes. I'm heading to the village to see my mom and my sisters.
Sir, you need to rest. Can you postpone your travel?
I wish that was possible. I already told my family I was coming back. They're expecting me as we speak. Sorry.
Okay, but just say...
Doctor! Come on. Oh, you know it.
Oh, what a life. No day with happiness. Oh, life. Filled with issues of life. Oh, life.
So, how is your health now?
I'm giving up on this health thing.
Hey.
It doesn't look like it will ever get better. I mean, how long? How long are we going to continue to try? You and I can attest to the fact that I've been to virtually all the hospitals. Mama, this is my fate. Mama, this is my fate. To die young. I've lost hope.
No. You will not die.
I'm going to die young.
No, don't say this. Don't say this. You are not going to die. No, go, Mom. You will not die. I will not allow you to die, no matter what it takes me. You will not die. You'll be alive for me.
Yes.
Oh, Mom.
Mama, I'm in support of everything Brother Oscar said. I see points in it. Yes.
Well, if that is what you want, there's no problem. Oh, Mom.
Thank you, Mama.
Oh, I'm gonna tell my story. I'm left to face my mortality with a broken heart. But I thought love could come true to give me a smile and a wish.
Thank you.
Fine.
Ah, yeah.
Sorry. Sorry.
Yes, my
Your
medication.
Medication. Okay. Okay, I'm coming. I'll be right back. Yes, sir. Just sorry. Have some water first.
Okay.
Have some water. Sorry. Sorry. Let me get your medication. I'll be right back. Sorry, sir. Sorry. Sorry. Sorry, sir. I'm so sorry. I don't mean to intrude, but I don't think you should be taking that.
Beg your pardon?
I'm sorry.
It's my doctor or what?
I am so sorry. I'm just saying.
What's the point? Even if I stop taking things I agree for, I'm still going to them.
Sir, if you're being honest with yourself, you know that you are not taking this alcohol because you actually crave for it. You're taking it because you feel frustrated.
Oh, that's enough.
I'm sorry. Do you believe in miracles?
Miracles?
Yes. You know, miracles actually happen to people who believe in them. So, do you believe?
I do believe in miracles. But in my case, it's a lost battle. A lost hope.
No. I don't want you to think like that. I don't want you to lose hope. Because there is always light at the end of the tunnel. Anyway, your food will be ready soon and I will serve it to you.
you go. The meal is served. Enjoy.
Thank you. Have you eaten?
Not yet. I'll eat later.
Okay. Bring your food to the dining so we can eat together.
Sir,
There is no, sir. Bring your food to the dining table so we can eat together. Thank you. I'm waiting.
Yes.
And I wish love could come true for me. Oh yeah, I am here to stay. I am here to stay with you to make you feel loved again. Oh yeah, I'm here to stay with you. Oh yeah, to make you feel loved again. I am here to stay with you. I'm here to stay with you. I'm here to stay to make you feel loved again. Oh yeah, I'm here to stay with you.
What is happening here? I said, what is happening here? Or do you want to rip yourself naked here before everybody?
No, Papa.
Papa.
Ogini, what is it?
What about the land now? Are you not giving me
Which
again?
land?
The one you promised me.
Oh, calm down. After all, you're already dating my son. Besides, I'm not running away. Calm down. Rano?
Chiri, Papa, what land are you talking about?
It's a long story. You won't understand.
So you're hiding something from me?
No, don't worry, I will explain everything later, okay? You still spoil me, right? You said you're expecting money.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I made you some fresh fruit juice. Sir? 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 Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay, well, I said I made you some fresh fruit juice. You need it. Is there something on my face?
Yes.
Where? Okay. Sorry? Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
What do we become? I just wish things could get better. Get better. I wish to be happy. I wish to be happy. Yeah. Who I'm gonna tell my story? Yeah. Who will be there for me?
What are you doing? Nothing. Nothing. Okay. Nothing, eh?
What did I say? Nothing.
Emeka! Emeka!
Papa!
Where's my goat?
Goat? What goat?
Where's my goat? Look, do not play dumb with me. Where is my goat?
Which goat now?
Hey! Did I name my goat?
Papa, I did not see goat. Goat did not see me. So, Abmaka, Biko.
Emeka,
no,
don't play dumb with me. Don't play dumb with me. Where's my goat?
Papa, you left this house since morning. Coming back now to ask me of your goat. Do I look like a watchdog? Nah, Papa, Abmaka.
Emeka, give me my goat.
Papa, what is it now?
Leave my
trouser now. Okay, Papa. I saw the goat.
You saw the goat?
Huh? Do your worst. Do your worst.
You saw my goat?
Yes.
Why is it? Give my goat.
Now leave me, Papa.
Give me my goat.
Leave me. I've got him. No, well.
Hey! Amaze! Amaze! Emeka has killed me. Emeka has killed me. Oh, Emeka Ibonum. Emeka has killed me. Emeka Ibonum. Hey! I will not stand up from here. Emeka, I will not stand up from here until you give me my goat. Emeka!
Lucy. Uzioma. Honestly, I am worried. I am very much worried. Why is Oscar not showing concern over this issue? Why is he joking with his health and lineage?
About 9. My son is not joking with his health and lineage.
He is.
He is not, 9. He is not. He only said he doesn't want to marry yet.
Why?
Which I understand. 9, let him talk about his health first now. Let him face his life. Get well. Which I'm believing that very soon he'll be better. Eh?
Exactly what all of us are praying for. Exactly what everyone is praying for. But are you sure he's not living with any woman there with him in the city? Yes, now.
Mansikipe, how can you possibly say such a thing? If my son is living with any woman, you'll be the first to know.
Amazim?
But if he has anyone living with him, you'll be the first person to know. I'm very, very sure nothing like that is happening. Queen Ania.
It's okay. Just that I'm very much concerned about him. I
understand, Naya, and I appreciate your concern. Enugo?
Okay. Let me run along.
One.
Take care of yourself, eh?
Oh, thank you for stopping by.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Who would be there for me? Oh yeah, I am here to stay with you, to make you feel loved again. Oh yeah, I'm here to stay with you. I'm here to stay with you.
Thank you. I wish I could do this with you. See me smile wholeheartedly today. Just made me question God. I wish there was something I could do.
Filled with issues of life. Oh, life. Oh, I'm gonna tell my story.
She's heavily pregnant.
Hey! Hey!
But Oscar, heavily pregnant.
Hey! Chineke ụmụ
Wanye. Eh, Osioma, no wa.
Yes.
No wa.
Yes.
Hey!
Her name is Blessing, Mama. And she came into my life to be a blessing to me.
Indeed. Blessing. Blessing.
Brother Oscar.
Yes.
This is good news.
Yes.
But where's she from?
Amelu here.
Ah! Amelu, neighboring village.
Amelu here. Mama, you know, I thought I was going to die, but she's giving me another reason to live.
And I can see the smile beaming on your face.
Yes, Mama.
I can't remember the last time I saw you smile like this. Hey! And your handsomeness is back again.
Oh, Mama, stop!
My son is in love.
Mama. Brother Oscar, could it be that the reason all these girls have been living is connected to Uncle Ibe?
Amasikwam?
Well, let's just say the more reason I'd like us to keep this within us, okay, for now. Yes, I'll go see some of my other uncles, elders, and tell them about the good news. Ask them to go with me so I could go pay the bride price. But please, I'd also tell them, let's keep Uncle Libe out of this one. Yes, for now.
Have a point too.
This is a good idea. It's a good idea.
But let's not forget the main point. Oscar is going to be your father.
I'm going to be a grandmother!
Oscar, I'm really happy for you.
Hey!
Happy for you.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Mama. You are going to be a grandma.
The latest grandmother.
Mama is so happy.
Latest grandmother lady.
Our wife. Hey, our wife.
We went.
Finally.
We saw.
I tell you.
And we conquered. Hey.
Oh God. I don't want you to stretch yourself.
So this is true. Eh? So this is true. Ozema, Oscar, so this is true. You went and paid her bread price without telling me. Eh? And you supported him.
Mazibe.
What's going on here?
Mazibe, please, we are very sorry. The way you feel about this whole thing. But as you can see, my daughter-in-law is heavily pregnant.
Pregnant what?
She doesn't need any stress whatsoever.
Pregnant what?
Go and rest.
Wait, is that what things have been done in your place?
Uncle, don't take it
Eh?
too deep.
Don't come close like that.
Don't be too deep. It's not
Okay.
serious.
Stop shouting my name. Have you lost your respect?
I have not come here to drag respect with you. Do you think I'm a fool? So after promising to give me a land if I leave Oscar, you think you can fool me? I'm doing me here.
Hey! Omereme?
Uncle?
Ogini.
Okidi.
Keyo.
Ibe, is this true?
No need to ask. This man has been the one telling the whole girls you found for your son to leave him.
Hey! Uncle, you're very wicked. You're a wicked man.
Very wicked man.
I knew it had something to do with you.
Hi! Please, I'm not here for all this drama. Instead of giving me the land you promised me, you deceived me to date that useless son of yours. Now I'm pregnant for him.
Pregnant!
Congratulations!
Congratulations!
Is it not good for you?
Is it kicking?
Ibe, why now? I thought we were family.
Hey. See, it's either you give me the land you promised me or you give me enough money to start.
My daughter. My daughter. Eh?
Uncle, is everything okay?
How was your trip to the city?
Oh, it was very nice, Uncle. Oscar is actually very nice.
Really?
Yes, Uncle.
Did you notice anything? I mean, did you notice anything about Oscar?
Anything like, I didn't notice anything.
Hey.
Papa, is everything alright?
Everything's not alright too. It's not alright. So, you did not notice that Oscar is sick?
Sick? No.
Oscar is sick, oh.
Oh, God.
Oscar has a deadly disease that will kill him in the next 5 months.
God forbid.
God will not forbid until you forbid.
Ha.
Come.
Oh, what are you saying?
Oh, let me tell you something. God will not forbid until you forbid. His mother has been hiding it from you, but I'm telling you now the honest truth. Oscar has a deadly disease that will kill him in the next five months. They want you to marry him so that before long he will die and you will become a widow. Is that what you want?
They want to make me a young widow.
Exactly.
God forbid. It can never be me, Uncle.
I said God will not forbid until you forbid. God will not forbid until you forbid. See, I want you to count your teeth with your tongue. Count your teeth with your tongue before it's too late. I have told you, do not say nobody told you. Do not say even me. I did not tell you. I love you as a daughter. That is why I'm telling you this. So, turn around.
Me?
Yes.
Okay.
Imagine you being a young widow.
What? Papa, how could you say such a thing?
Hey, Afrikugi, nebu okenye. Eku anogi, nebu nwata.
Papa, I don't understand.
Good. I know you love Oscar.
Yes, I do.
And you really want to marry him.
Yes, Papa.
But I cannot allow you marry a dead man.
What? A dead man?
Oh, yes.
Papa, how?
Fine. Oscar is going to die in no time. And you will become a young widow.
Oh,
is that what you want?
Not at all, Papa.
Good.
Oh my goodness. Papa, thank you very much for this information. I am really grateful.
The pleasure is mine. You have to go now.
Okay, Papa.
So that we're not seen together.
Okay, sir.
Remember, you did not see me, neither did I see you. As a matter of fact, there was nothing like this meeting at all.
Okay, Papa.
Amanda, is everything alright?
Everything is not alright, Mazibi. Why will you tell me that Oscar is suffering from a deadly sickness that will end him soon when you know you are lying? Making me look like a mad woman.
A lie?
Yes.
And who said I told you lies? His mother? Or his sisters? I know they will not tell you the truth. Oscar has a deadly disease that will end him soon. In fact, he's on medication, and the worst part is that the medications are not helping him at all. He will die soon.
Why will I believe you?
I have no reason to lie to you. Okay. If you want to confirm it, go back to his house in the city. Monitor him closely.
and find out if what I'm telling you is true, is a lie.
Will that work?
Yeah. What do you want me with that work? It has worked already. See, if you go there and find out that what I'm telling you is true, come back and collect a plot of land from me.
A plot of land?
Oh, I said it. Come and take a plot of land.
That means it will work.
It will surely work.
You will give me a plot of land?
Sure.
Hey! So if I was not smart enough to find out it myself, I'm not going to follow what I don't know. Wicked woman! Hey! They think I will not know. Now I know. Now I know. Your son has a deadly sickness and you want me, Amanda, to come and carry it and marry and become a widow at this young age. What kind of nonsense is that? Young girl of this village, be careful, oh, because this wicked woman, I'm sure she's looking for another innocent girl to do this and hook up with her useless sick son. Ndala, a queen saw Joby everywhere. God will punish all of you.
Amanda.
Uncle.
As I say, you are back.
Yes, so Uncle, I'm back. Thank you so much for telling me about his sickness. If not, I would have been married to him and become a widow after some months.
I love you like a daughter. That is why I did what I did.
And I appreciate. Because you're a good man. You are related to him, yet you told me this secret. Exactly. Some people will keep it, just like the evil woman.
I'm not like them, oh. I'm at all.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Uncle, about the land you promised to give me when I come back. Now I'm back, so when should I be expecting it?
About the land. Okay, come to the house tomorrow.
Thank you so much. God bless you.
Bless you too.
I appreciate it. Let me not keep you standing for long.
It's okay.
Thank you so much. When our bosses see my mother. Hey! Very wicked woman. Has innocent face, but her heart is dark as devil. Rubbish. She think I will not find it. Start business for my unborn child.
Ibe, is it true?
Mama?
Brother, what's it?
I'm the one responsible for Oscar's predicament.
Hey!
I wanted him to die before.
Hi.
I wanted him to die before, without having a child.
Hi, Ibe.
How can he be progressing more than my son? He can't do. I can't allow it. I'm sorry, you.
Marty, you better stand up from here. Me, I'm not here for this drama. Come and give me the land you promised me now.
Oscar, please. Oscar, please have mercy.
Amanda.
Oscar, please have mercy. Call the doctor. Call the doctor. I am your only uncle.
You're a wicked man.
I am your only uncle.
You're a very wicked man. Uncle, your son is black. You're a very wicked man.
Call the doctor. Call the doctor. Call the doctor, Oscar. Oscar.
Hey. Hey!
Oscar, babe, are you okay?
Oscar, what is it now?
But are you okay?
What is it? Oscar, what is it?
What is it? Now.
Oscar, what is it?
Are you okay? Now, what happened? What is happening to you? What is happening to you? What is happening to you, Mom? What is it?
Should I get water?
Are you sure? Oh yeah, please come and sit down. Come, let's go inside. Let's go inside. Come, let's go inside.
I'm left to face my mortality, but a broken heart. Right, that love will come to.
And a father to be. Please take good care of her. And bless him. Take good care of your husband.
Yes, I will.
You're not a wife. and a mother to be. You people should live in peace and harmony. Okay?
Yes, Mama.
Okay, Mama, we have heard you. You take care of yourself too. Most importantly, please, let me know when they are burying Uncle so that I will attend.
Are you the one that killed him? Eh? You think without him they will not bury him? I will never allow you attend the burial of that wicked man.
Yes.
It will not work.
Okay.
Do you understand me? Good Samaritan. You are not coming.
Your word is fine now, okay? But at least, will you give the money I gave to you to the son?
No, that won't be a problem. I'll give the money to him.
Okay.
Brother,
we're
going to miss you.
Oh, of course I'm going to miss you all. Miss you.
I'll come visit you sometimes.
What are you waiting for? Come through anytime you're ready, okay?
Please come, I'm expecting you.
Don't forget the money you promised me, oh.
You should be ready to work.
I'm beginning to be hardworking.
Yeah,
you see me that
Mama, this thing you're doing is not fair. I'm the senior sister. Visit them first.
The person that impresses me. If you impress me enough, then you will go for
Mama, you're being unfair and it's not nice.
Who want to wash?
Me that came first. I've been the one doing everything in this house.
Right, that love could come true to give me a smile, and I wish love could come true. Oh yeah, I am here to stay with you.
Take a good look at this.
And days keep throwing near, and I wish things could get better.
I'm waiting.
You're free.
I'm free.
There's absolutely nothing in your system. Oh, thank you. You are so silly. Wait. You need to call Mama. You need to call her right now, please.
I wish to be happy. I wish to be happy. Yeah. Who I'm gonna tell my story? Yeah. Who will be there for me? Oh yeah. I am here to stay with you, to make you feel loved again. Oh yeah. I'm here to stay with you. I'm here to stay.